You've probably heard this advice before. Millionaires have multiple streams of income, but what can you do if all you have is a paycheck and a dream? In this video, I'm breaking down the truth about multiple income streams and which ones you can logically start building today, because Warren Buffett said it best. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. And he's right. Having multiple income streams isn't about luck or getting rich quick. It's about creating incomes that work for you even when you're not working. But before we get into the different types of income, I'm Renee, a mom, a teacher, and a midlifer on a mission to pay off debt, build wealth, and help you do the same. If you've been following this series, you know that we've already talked about setting financial targets, building the right mindset, and now it's time to multiply your income. So let's get into section 1, the truth about multiple income streams. Most people think it means juggling 5 side hustles and burning out, but here's what they really are. Type 1 is active income. Active income is the money that you work for, trading your time for money like your salary, your wages, your commission, and tips. It's money that requires time and effort to generate. Income type number 2 is passive income. This is money that grows and with less time and effort once it's set up. It does not require constant hands-on attention, and it's a revenue stream that will allow you to earn money with reduced active participation. Income type number 3 is passive income. For this type of income, you earn regardless of what you're doing, meaning it's money that works for you even while you're sleeping. Think of your income like a tree. The trunk is your main source, your job, your first stream. It's what holds you steady and supports your growth. The branches grow from your trunk and extend your reach. They are your additional streams or semi-passive income, like digital products or investments or real estate or business income. Then the fruit. At first, you're watering the tree, but over time, it starts producing fruit on its own, which is your passive income. These are the rewards that continue to grow and feed you long after the tree is mature. It's money that works quietly in the background, like investments and royalties or automated digital sales. Luckily, you probably already have a solid trunk. Now let's grow the branches so that it can start producing fruit, stem by stem, until the tree sustains itself. Which leads us into section 2. Section 2 is how to move from active income to semi-passive income. Let's start with your tree trunk, your active income. You've probably spent years building this, and it's your biggest strength. Now you want to branch out from it. Ask yourself, what can I teach or share or create that involves solving a real problem for somebody else? Maybe you're great at communication or organization, then start tutoring or coaching or consulting online. And maybe you're creative. You could turn your visuals or writing or tech skills into digital products like ebooks or printables or even mini courses. Or maybe you have valuable life experiences that you could share through a podcast or YouTube channel. This is where your trunk starts to grow its branches. And yes, that does take effort at first, but you're planting and you're watering, and over time, those branches, they start producing fruit. When you design your semi-passive income correctly, you're no longer working harder. You're letting your skills multiply your results, because if your second stream depends on the same hours that you're already working, it's not truly passive. You want your streams to grow together, not compete for your time. Think of leverage. Use your knowledge or your skills or your assets. What can you do with your technology or your money to create results? Once they are set up and in place, they will keep going even when you're not working. The goal is to build streams that multiply your effort, not your exhaustion. When you're in your 40s and 50s, you need to work smarter, not harder. That's how to build wealth without burnout. Section 3 is passive income. Passive income is money that keeps you flowing, whether you're working or resting or on vacation. It's the kind of income that doesn't demand your daily time and your daily energy. It's not that passive income is a 100% set it and forget it. It's slow, it's deliberate, and it's strategic. Here's a quick stat. According to a 2024 Bankrate survey, more than 60% of Americans say they have explored passive income ideas, but less than 20% have actually set it up. Why? Because most people overcomplicate it, or they think it takes this huge amount of money to start. But the secret is passive income doesn't start with wealth, it creates wealth. You can take that first income stream and start investing part of that steady paycheck into assets that quietly grow for you, like dividend paying stocks. or index funds that pay you every quarter, or REITs or fractional real estate platforms that let you invest for as little as $10, or high yield savings accounts that automatically grow your emergency fund, or even small digital assets like mini courses or ebooks or a YouTube video that keeps earning even after you post it. Passive income is about letting your money and your ideas work when you don't. Here's an example of an additional sources of income streams that could be built from what you already know. Let's make this practical. Say you're a teacher. So, step one, your salary is your trunk. That's your foundation. Step two, you start tutoring or consulting online, and those are your branches. Step three, you turn your best lessons into digital products and you sell them. That's your fruit. And step four, you take that extra income and invest it into index funds or real estate, and that's where your tree starts producing fruit on its own. You see the pattern? Every branch supports the next, and soon your tree is working harder than you are. Section four is putting it all together. Let's start to build your money tree today, because remember, multiple income streams aren't just about money, they're about freedom, time freedom, and choice freedom, and peace of mind. An action step is to write down your current main income, then brainstorm branches of income and select one that you can grow this year, and then start one passive stream. So you plant something quietly now that's going to grow later. Remember, you don't need more hours in a day. You just need to work smarter with your income. Because when your money starts working for you, retirement stops being this finish line and starts becoming a choice. 1 year from now, you'll either have built something or you'll wish you have started. So start thinking outside the box and start thinking of what branch of income you could start today. Well, you guys, that's it. I hope this video has inspired you. Please leave me a comment. I want to know what you're doing to build multiple streams of income. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in the next episode, we'll talk about how to scale your side hustle without burning out. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.